हम यहाँ पे आए हैं विज़िट करने हॉल ऑफ इंस्पायरेशन। तो ये काफ़ी खूबसूरत इलाका है। ये गाड़ियों में हमारे यहाँ पे तक बनवान से हमारे शहर से ड्राइव से ये 45 मिनट्स की ड्राइव पे है। ज़बरदस्त इलाका है। जैसे इस्लामाबाद है पहाड़ी एरिया, हिली एरिया, तो सेम ऐसा ही है ये। आप देख रहे हैं काफ़ी ज़्यादा यहाँ पे पहाड़ है। इनका हाल है यहाँ पे, ये हमें कुछ बताएंगे। यह हाल है इनका। यहाँ पे हमें लेक्चर दे गए।
This is our first development project in this northern region, and this is how we interpret the development principle of our founder, who is the mother of the late king, the king King Rama IX and King Rama VIII. We call her the princess mother. What we have mentioned already. So basically, this is the map of the plantation site in this area. We have altogether 6 plantation sites growing coffee and macadamia. So in the beginning, we are now here at site number 1 here. So Nawati means 90 in Bali Sanskrit language, and we use the name because we established the company when the princess mother is 90 years old. She was here when she was making for coffee. Another tree will be for macadamia. So this is the first macadamia tree that the princess mother grew when we opened the project. This one's been 30 years already. This one is her daughter's. So we need to do grafting for this kind of like macadamia when you graft the stalk. This is the stalk. So it spends 7 years for the first use. And usually, if you see the macadamia, the green husk, any of you have ever seen the green husk? The husk, the yield per tree is up to 50 kilograms green husk per tree. But the edible part is only 8%. Meaning that if you grow like one tree, you probably get 50% of the green husk, but the edible part.
यहाँ पे कॉफ़ी और मैकेडेमिया एक ट्री है। यहाँ पे लोग बड़े कॉमन है इन इलाके में, कॉफ़ी और मैकेडेमिया 2 ट्रीज।
The reason why we
gather
our site surrounding this area.
क्योंकि सारे पहाड़ मतलब ये मैकेडेमिया ये जैसे हमारे होता ना अंदर इसके ना वो होती है गिरी जैसे हमारे रोड के अंदर वैसे तो से है। ये मैडम बता रही थी तोड़ के ना।
No need. So after it's dropped on the ground, you have a week to cultivate or else it's gone. Sometimes when you get like this already, it's not the good enough yet. So following to the process, I'll show you the green diagram. So the green husk, not in husk, the green one like this, gonna go here. There's gonna be the conveyor belt taking the husk out.
प्रोसेसिंग हॉल है इनका ना यहाँ पे ये जो मैकेडेमिया इसकी प्रोसेसिंग करते हैं।
Under the water, blowing the silo. So the silo is actually receive the heat from the biomass machine and generate heat for the silo, and we keep it in the silo. And when we want to use the macadamia, they will come here and crack it. The cracking. So they crack the shell, and we got the shell again as a charcoal and the biomass, and the white one here is going to be sorted. Macadamia not in husk go here, up here, and then do the dehusking. This one and then dehusk. Remove the green husk out.
Different steps are processing.
So the small one is down here, and we leave it the small one, the
processing plant.
downstairs one.
ये आगे processing plant. Different section है processing plant के.
put it out. So I will take you guys out to the biomass facility. So then you can see where the bananas go. So behind you is the silo for roasting. We spent up to 10 days and 10 nights for roasting the macadamia to
ये macadamia है उसको यानी processing plant है उसको
Macadamia. So very tasty, looking very tasty.
Yeah.
This is like chestnuts.
macadamia से different चीज़ें बना रहे हैं
It's from some
ये टेक्सटाइल फैक्ट्री है नवी पेपर फैक्ट्री सीमेंट फैक्ट्री है macadamia processing
outside is gone brown, but it's still good inside. Like the food when it rocks on the ground,
resource management.
it got dry, things like that.
Basically
You
forest
press
area,
the
yeah.
has first.
Okay.
Quality inside. But sometimes you never know. Like this one is already
ये
like
इनके forest है
punched, like a hole is made by an squirrel or rats already. So if you float it on the water, it will float up. It's not gonna sink. The supervisor of the farm management team before. So we want to encourage the local to become in the managerial position. So in the
Different
future,
products,
when the Doitung project, when the MFU Foundation wasn't here, they can take care of everything themselves. So this one is the manager of the Macadamia plantation. He wasn't here today, probably like in the field,
Yeah,
like,
macadamia,
tracking down,
honey,
like
से honey बना रहे हैं।
taking care of the trees. So he's the one
nuts.
who provide training to him.
macadamia
And in the
chocolate
future, he's gonna
macadamia nuts with herbs
this one gonna replace him. So we
macadamia nuts
we
products
work very closely with the local. And you can move here. You're
different
gonna see
biscuit
how
type
people
बनी हुई
do
है
the packing.
cakes and cookies
The ladies here do the
same
packaging here. So everything.
different things
And this one is the color is actually from the macadamia shell. This is the ceramic. After you do the first bake at 900 Celsius degree, you're gonna get the biscuit one. Yeah, you try it first and you tell us which one you like.
okay
You want to take
Yes,
The what?
no problem
Oh, the charcoal.
I'm making video.
So we
you're making video.
burn it in the clip.
I'm making video.
In the clip.
Sorry?
And
remember.
then you're gonna get the
Say
charcoal
something
like that.
okay you can
From,
say
from,
You can
from,
test
from the
it.
clip.
Just
And
see.
we use the
different
charcoal
cheese,
here as a air
pizza
purifier
सब बन जाएगा
and water purifier.
seaweed है
We try to use it with our grill fork in the kitchen, but it doesn't work very well because a lot of gas coming out.
And your engine would reach out for the
So
center.
it's good for air swapping instead of
different flavors
fuel or like
That's nice.
macadamia को
kitchen. But we
प्रोसेसिंग कर रहे हैं अंदर ना ये जो different products बहुत
But
पड़ेंगे
here, since we don't like
Processing
to
कर रहे हैं
have lots of waste, and we think that this one is also very useful, very valuable brand.
Different products बना रहे हैं macadamia के ये कोई लीव है
They don't speak
Yeah, tree है
They're
कोई
botanic.
पाकिस्तान में मैंने देखा है यहाँ पे अवेलेबल